Hey everybody, Mr. Polymers here. I'm doing another test of the 3DX6 with the 2200 milliamp hour battery here. I have to place it externally. I'm also going to run the, actually got the 808 keychain camera. Again, we're just going to see what kind of flight time I get on this. And also I'm going to really watch the performance, and that's the issue with any quad. Is when you start weighing these down with big batteries, trying to get longer run times, you sacrifice flight performance. So anyway, there's the 3DX6. Here's the transmitter. I'm showing 4 satellites, but it takes a few minutes to start picking those up. We're going to be flying in manual mode anyway, so let's go ahead and set the timer. Okay, timer started. Let's go. Yeah, she's heavy. Flying heavy. Okay, I'm going to keep an eye on the voltage here. Yeah, I have to go almost full throttle to get her going, so this is probably not going to be something anybody wants to do. Again, the battery, I believe, is 108 grams. The camera's only 21 grams, but with the two together, you're looking at, what is that, 108, 18, 20, you know, almost 130 grams payload with the battery and the camera. So I think that's pushing, that's really pushing this quad. And again, it's just making it fly heavy. As you can see, I'm about 60% throttle, and it just keeps her going. So we're at 1 minute 30 seconds. Might as well just keep flying it. With this kind of weight, when she does go into low voltage cutoff, then that means she's going to fall a little harder. So I'm watching the voltage. I'm at 7.2 volts. I will start to bring her down at about 6.7 volts. So again, 7.1 volts. Again, the voltage is going to drop up and down depending on how much throttle I have going. Currently at 2 minutes, 7 seconds. Full stick forward. Another complaint with the 3DX6. It is very sluggish on the pitch forward and backwards. So there I am, full stick forward, and she just slowly wants to go forward. She'll go fast, but it's not an instantaneous movement like I have on my toy grade quads, like you know, the WL toys, or even that cheap H8C that I've had nothing but problems with the motors. At least they're a little more responsive on that forward and backward pitch. And I have the settings on this to maximum pitch angle. So nice day out. Not too much wind, maybe a couple miles an hour. I'm at 3 minutes. Voltage is holding at 7 volts. I'm not going to fly very high. Just kind of going to do my orbits here. I'll fly her out here a little bit. Voltage at 6.8. I'm going to bring her down here a little bit. Okay, voltage back up to 7.1. Again, it's really hard to determine when it gets critical. It all is dependent on how much throttle I'm using. So the more throttle, the voltage drops. Currently at 4 minutes, almost 4:30. Voltage is 6.8, 6.9. Unfortunately, I can't use the low voltage alarm on the on this. It creates too much magnetic interference, which makes the compass go a little crazy. So yeah, I'm full stick forward. As you see, she's very lethargic. She'll go fast, but it takes 5 to 10 seconds to get her going. Right here, I'm full stick forward, coming at me, and she's almost appears to be standing still. That's a little annoying for me. I know this is boring, but I'm simply doing a run test on this battery. We're at 5 minutes 32 seconds. I just think the runtime gain is not worth the sacrifice of performance on this battery. Of course, I have my phone going off, and no, I can't talk to my wife. I'm flying. 6 minutes. Again, using the lighter 808 keychain camera, which I don't prefer as much as I do the Mobius, but the Mobius would just add more weight, another 20 grams. Okay, coming up to 6 minutes 30 seconds. Again, full stick forward. Okay, she's coming down now. I'm really giving her throttle. Coming up on 7 minutes. And she's really 7 minutes. She's really dogging it now. I'm at about 65%, 70% throttle. Voltage is at 6.7. Again, I'll keep flying her. Coming up to 7 minutes 30 seconds. Again, applying a little more throttle to keep her airborne. There, 100% throttle right there. Well, not right there. Well, 90%, 100%, 100%. Get up, get up, get up, get up. All right, 7 minutes 55 seconds. Okay, basically gained a minute or so, maybe a minute and a half at most on that battery. So my conclusion is don't use the 2200 milliamp hour battery. Stick with the 1200 YKS battery. And I think, again, I'm going to build a 250 millimeter quad that uses the 3-cell batteries, and then that'll be when I'll FPV. So this is Mr. Polymers, enjoying the day out here, and I got to call my wife, by the way. We'll talk to you later.